Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be January Boxycharm unboxes. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm Classic Box is $25 and the premium is $35. So this box only costs you $25 and you get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about this box and more about makeup, please don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. So the theme for this month is breaking the ice. So this is the theme for this month of January 2020 to begin the new year. That's right, it is 2020. Can you guys believe it? It's a new year. Wow. So I know you guys wondering why am I doing this video now for you guys. Am I reviewing it for you guys? To be honest with you, my box came late in the mail. Like, I usually get this like on the 5th, on the 6th of every month, and I got mine yesterday on the 14th, which that was pretty late. Like, as soon as I get the tracking number for this box, I usually get it right away, but I got it late, so I apologize for this late video. But anyway, this is breaking the ice. And then it has a list of the product. The first product I see is an eyeshadow palette. That's right. So I have Beaute Scarlet Dusk palette. Woo! Scarlet Dusk palette. It is so beautiful. And when you open it, wide up, comes with a giant mirror and these beautiful colors. Do you guys see these beautiful colors? So you get 3, 6, 9, 12. So you get 12 eyeshadow shades. It is so pretty. I love these pinks. It's gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day. I could create a Valentine's look. So anyways, yeah, this is so pretty. You got these orange looks, so pretty. So I'm just gonna swatch one of it, which is I'm gonna swatch this one here. It's called Bahamas, just to see how pigmented it is. This is it. It's so pretty. What? Amazing. So this palette retails for $35, and it said this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are remnants of the beautiful sunrise and sunset witnesses in various locations around the world. Each color has carefully modeled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color. I use Sunset Rose right here for like a transition shade. So I'm putting it on the crease and then all over the lids. Let me just zoom in a little bit, yeah. I'm taking this shade Bahamas shade. I'm gonna go to the outer corner. So And then I'm just gonna like lighten it up with Lotus. Just a little bit, just gonna like lighten it up. Just like make it, I'm trying to make this like a smoky look, but like a, just take a little bit of the light shade. Make it like very smoky. Okay, so I just sprayed my flat brush and I'm gonna go with this Sunset Rose shade. Like a like this. The matte shades is perfectly, but to be really honest with you, the shimmery shades, it is not coming out very pigmented, and I did spray my flat brush, so please keep that in mind. The other shades, the matte shades, is blends out perfect, but the shimmer shades is very horrible. It doesn't like pick up well. Like I have to keep picking it up to apply it, and I spray the brush, so the shimmer shades is pretty horrible. So oh my god, the shimmer shades is horrible. Like you just see me right now, I'm like digging in the shimmer shades, and it's not the brush, because I just love this brush to create a cut crease with it, so I just don't really understand this. So my thoughts about this eyeshadow palette, the shimmer shade doesn't come out very pigmented. I sprayed a brush and I kept digging in, but the matte shades are super pigmented. Overall, I do love the colors, but I just wish the shimmery shades were perfect. Next we have is a mascara. It's by Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. So this is the packaging, and the packaging is so cute. It's like very tropically, like you're gonna go on vacation, going to Hawaii. Yeah, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look how pretty is this. So let's read more about it. It says a volume mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. It is a quick dry formula, locks in curl, while the custom petite size hourglass applicator is designed to layer on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. And this retails for $16. So let's try this out. And this is a black mascara. So let's look at the wand. It's okay. It's okay. I've seen better wands than this. So let's try this out. Whoa, it definitely picks up every, look at this. Oh, it's picking up every lash as it says what I just read to you right now. I like it. I'm gonna write to this company and tell them my thoughts about this product, how I really like the mascara. I never tried the product before, but first impressions, I love it. So I prime my face and I put some foundation because the next product is Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. So this is a concealer and obviously it's a wand. So let's read more about this Undercover Concealer by Pretty Vulgar. It says Undercover Concealer is lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish, infused with vitamin E and galactorabine to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin appearance. The Angle Dough Full Applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visually brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long concealer is great for all skin types, which is great. And this concealer retails for $25. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the wand of it. So like this, and then boom. So I'm trying to find out the shade. Okay, the shade I got is called Middle Ground. So I'm gonna apply some on right now, like this. Oh my god, love the wand. It definitely like covers everything. The wand, I love it. See, and the wand is a little like bent. You can see how bent the wand is. I love it. It's great to cover these dark circles that I have on. It's nice. I love the bend wand to this. Like this. He just like covers it. And I'm gonna like blend it with my beauty blender. Just blend it. Blend it. I love it. Look at this, like instantly covered everything. Okay, so I have two products that's in the box and they are skincare. I got Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is how it looks like. When I found out this month we were gonna get this, I got really excited because I always wanted to try this out, but this was so expensive at Sephora, and I kept like taking it out of the cart, putting it back, taking it out. It was like back and forth situation at my cart from Sephora website. So let's open this up. And this is how it looks like. And let's read more about this. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask. Is bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a resident boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining HAHA that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify, which is great. And this retail, the small one retails for $22. So I'm not gonna try this on since it's a sleeping mask, so I'm just gonna open the jar and show it to you how it looks like on the inside. Ooh, look how it is. The last and final product I have is by Skin Co. It's Polished Microfiber Truffle Face Gommage. It's a cleanser and it's made in Italy. This is how it looks like, and this retails for $28. So it's truffle Thearpy and it's very luxury Italian spa face wash, and it only costs $28. So I just finished opening this. Right now. So it smells very sweet and it's truffle. It smells very luxury, exactly what it says on the description. That smells like a spa facial wash. Definitely love it. You guys have to check this out. I will do an updated skincare video when I try this. I'm gonna try this out for like 2 to 3 months, and I'll share you guys my reviews on it when I do my updated skincare. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of Boxycharm January 2020, this box for 2020. If you like this video of this new box for the year of 2020, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.